Sesame seeds for periods. How to consume it, recipes and the benefits. Periods are a challenging time for most women, with cramps, bloating, mood swings and fatigue being common complaints. While many women look to medication to ease their symptoms, there are natural remedies available that can help. One such remedy is sesame seeds. These tiny, nutrient-packed seeds have been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent. Sesame seeds have been in cultivation for thousands of years. As a matter of fact, these are regarded as the oldest seeds that are rich in essential oils. They hold importance for stimulating energy, body heat, and for a wide range of hair and skin benefits. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of eating sesame seeds during your period and how they can help alleviate your symptoms. Sesame seeds are a rich source of nutrients that can benefit your overall health and menstrual cycle. They are high in calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc, all of which are essential for maintaining hormonal balance and reducing menstrual symptoms. Calcium and magnesium are especially important during your period, as they work together to alleviate cramps and reduce the duration of bleeding. Iron is essential for maintaining healthy blood levels and preventing anemia, which can cause fatigue during your period. Zinc is important for maintaining a healthy immune system, reducing inflammation, and promoting wound healing. By including sesame seeds in your diet, you'll be providing your body with the nutrients it needs to support a healthy menstrual cycle. In addition to helping with irregular periods, black till for periods is also helpful in making your periods smooth and painless or minimally painful. It can be attributed to the results of the seeds on oxidative stress, significant for women dealing with menstrual problems every month. Another major benefit of sesame seed for periods is that it is a powerhouse of energy. Research has also shown that sesame seeds can inhibit the production of prostaglandins, which are responsible for causing menstrual cramps. This means that incorporating sesame seeds into your diet can help prevent and alleviate menstrual cramps and other menstrual symptoms. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, sesame seeds are also a good source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. This is especially important for women, as they are more prone to developing osteoporosis than men. How to incorporate sesame seeds into your diet during your period. Incorporating sesame seeds into your diet is easy and can be done in a variety of ways. You can add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on top of your salads, or use them as a topping for your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Sesame seeds can also be used as a base for dips and spreads, such as hummus or tahini. Sesame seeds can also be used in cooking, making them a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. They can be used in stir-fries, added to soups. Is sesame seed oil beneficial for menstrual pain relief? In addition to sesame seeds oil can also be used to alleviate menstrual symptoms. Sesame seed oil contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Massaging sesame seed oil onto your lower abdomen can help to reduce cramps and bloating, making it a great natural remedy for menstrual pain relief. When using sesame seed oil, it's essential to use a high-quality, cold-pressed oil to ensure that you're getting the full benefits. Simply warm the oil in your hands and massage it onto your lower abdomen in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat as needed to alleviate your menstrual symptoms. At the end, sesame seeds are a nutritious and natural remedy for menstrual symptoms. Their high nutrient content and anti-inflammatory properties make them a useful tool in managing menstrual cramps, bloating, and mood swings. By incorporating sesame seeds into your diet, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of this powerful superfood during your period. However, it's important to consume sesame seeds in moderation and check for any allergic reactions before adding them to your diet. With the right precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of sesame seeds and improve your overall menstrual health.